Thousands of people are under evacuation orders in Southern California as strong winds fuel new wildfires in the Los Angeles area.
I just needed to come out and do something to help people. Sorry, I feel so bad for the people. So just wanted to come help somebody. That's all I can do. I can't give a bunch of money, but I can come and give my time.
Inspired by the call to action felt around the world, a group of us across the country channeled our creative energies into helping the population that may have been overlooked through this entire ordeal.
The worst part about the fire was my dad's school is getting burned down. Kids cannot go to school. Kids and grown-ups are homeless. They don't have anywhere to live.
As families are being displaced and forced to live in temporary shelters, how could we use XR as a way to relieve some of the kids' stress, recapture a sense of home, and help them process what they had just gone through? Introducing Kozy Kit. Bring your favorite toy to life. All you need is a photo of your cherished possession, and in a matter of moments, you can drop it into your room, no matter where you are. And after you finish decorating yours, check out your friends. Or share some of your thoughts with Kit. Whether you're a parent, guardian, teacher, or child, we hope you see a glimpse of our vision. We want to invite kids to slow down and use their imagination to create their own worlds, making it cozy one step at a time.